So I haven't vlogged in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I've just been really busy with custom orders and then consignment with one of the museums, as well as consignment for a bead shop that I've been doing. So I've just been super busy making, and yeah, I got some new beads, some new cabs. I also got new packaging. What else? I got some new stickers printed that won't be in today, but yeah, and then I just have a lot of super awesome projects, so I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what I've been working on. Okay, so first off, we have this super awesome pop socket. It's a custom order. I had done one in yellow, and the girl who wanted it in pink. That's what I'm doing. And then I like love turning my beadwork around and looking at the back of it. But yeah, that's just kind of what I was doing with that. And then I have to make a matching lanyard. Also got some stuff from Michael's. I got some more beads from Dancing Bear. And actually I'm going there today so I can show you guys the shop and what they're all about. So yeah, I got some of these. These are kind of just like remnants. So like anything that they had that was like, didn't come in a full hank or something they had used for a project, but still had leftovers. So that's what these are. They're all really pretty. And I'm really excited to use this one. Like, it's kind of like a stone one, and it's super pretty. Then I got all these. So some of these are already packaged, or not packaged, like some of them are already organized because I had to get some more bead containers. And yeah, so, but I got some fall colors because I want to do a fall earring and necklace set. And then I also want to do some keychains. So yeah, and then I have new packaging. So pretty much I just got these super cute rose gold bubble mailers from Royalty Mailers, and I got like 200 of them. So I'm gonna be using those. So I got the new mailers because my shipping before, I would charge $5 for shipping. Prices haven't changed for you guys, but they have changed for me. So pretty much I charged $5 for shipping when shipping was really $7.15 to send the USPS priority mail envelopes. And the thing about the USPS priority mail envelopes is they're free. So I can go to the post office, well, not my post office, I have to order them online and get them delivered, but they're free, and they deliver them to my house, and then it's $7.15 to ship them. And while that is faster, and what I still have it as an upgrade, but if you want to upgrade it on my Etsy, I do ask that you pay $7.15. I was losing a lot for, you know, trying to keep my shipping costs low and my item costs lower so that people could actually, you know, afford it and it wasn't like super expensive. So I went with the bubble mailers, and they ship first class, which is 2 to 6 days, which is a bit longer, but it's cheaper for me, and in my opinion they're a lot cuter. So I've been doing that, and I'm going to show you guys some of the pieces that I'm doing for my consignment with Dancing Bear Indian Trader. If you guys don't know, I shop from there a lot, and they asked me to make some pieces, so I decided to do keychains. I did some regular size and some mini sized keychains that I'm giving to them, and they're going to be selling it during their live videos and, you know, in their store, which is super exciting. And then I also have a consignment deal with the California Center of the Arts in Escondido for the World of Frida exhibit. So if you guys are interested in any of my beadwork, it will be there in the gift shop. So I'm gonna go and see what it looks like. It starts September 19th, which is the day after my birthday. So that's super exciting. But yeah, let me just show you guys. Like, so I have so much stuff. Like, I feel like not vlogging for like 2 weeks really was just like, because the studio vlog I uploaded didn't do very well, but I really like filming them, so that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so here's what we got. I have 2 of each style just because I know like these two are super popular with the turquoise, and then I just thought I'll just make 2 of each just so they're all even. And so yeah, this is what I'm giving to them. I think it's 14 in total. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yeah, 14 keychains in total. So that took a really long time. And then for my Etsy shop, by the time this vlog goes up, I'm gonna try and have these in the shop. But yeah, people on TikTok were like, oh my gosh, when are you gonna put, you know, the keychains that I actually show on my TikTok in the shop? And these are the ones that I've been doing TikTok with, just because that's what I was working on. But now I've been making some that people can actually purchase from my Etsy shop. So that's super exciting. So yeah, I've also been working on a new logo. I have a few clips, I'll just put them in here. And so I designed a business card that I'm gonna have printed once I run out of my other business cards, and then I also made stickers, which you'll also see in the video that I'm gonna put in. It's just a little, it's gonna be a circle sticker instead of a square, but it just says thank you, and it looks kind of like highlighted in neon, so I really liked them. So yeah, I've also been experimenting with doing some keychains with leather. So pretty much I haven't done one yet. I've kind of been looking into them, but peyote stitching around and then turning this into fringe. And so I'm really excited. I'm gonna try and do this today, hopefully. And then yeah, I also want to start doing lighter cases. I just want to start, you know, broadening what I make, because I feel like right now people just know me just for doing a lot of keychains. So I really want to start doing more stuff, because I do get a lot of questions like, oh, do you do this, or oh, do you do that? And I'm like, no, I don't do that yet. I never say don't do it, because most of the time I just don't know how to do it, and it's probably something that I can, you know, figure out how to do. Because I first started out making just earrings, like not even earrings like this. I started making like fringe earrings, and then eventually I learned and I, you know, progressed, and now I kind of do a lot more. It just, the more stuff I add, the more supplies I need, and then if things don't sell, and then I have to promote everything, so it's just a lot. So adding a new product does take a lot more time, but I'm really excited about it. So yeah, let's just kind of get into the day. I know I did a lot of talking, but this vlog will just be one day. So last time my mistake was doing it like multiple days, but I'm just gonna do one day. So yeah, let's go to Dancing Bear and get some beads and quills and things like that. All right, so we're gonna go to the post office to ship off all of my packages, and then we're gonna go to Dancing Bear. And it's also super cloudy and cold outside, and I am still wearing my sunglasses. So yeah, so let's go do a thing. As you guys saw, they have a lot of different beads and knickknacks, so I'm gonna kind of show you guys what I got. So first I got these big hoops to do some larger hoop earrings. So I just got 2 of those, and they're super cute and I really like them. And then I just got some gold fingernail posts because I've been doing a lot of silver recently, and I just thought it might be nice to have a couple pair of gold ones just in case. I also got this super pretty gold, like has gold accents on it, but it's a cork backing. So like when I back the backs of my beadwork, it'll look like this. And I thought it would be super pretty for fall sets and earrings, because it's kind of like naturey and brown and super pretty. So I got that. And then I got some porcupine quills. These are actually the last ones. The girl in the store was like, yeah, we have like one more container. I was like, yes. So I'm gonna treat them up tonight. It's kind of a little bit of a process you do before you can bead with them. But yeah, maybe I'll show you guys it, you know, later on in this vlog. Then I got some Dia de los Muertos little cabs. So they have like sugar skulls on them and they're super cute. So I'm gonna make, I can't decide if I wanna make 2 pop sockets or 2 earrings. Comment below if you want 2 pop sockets or a pair of earrings that I can make with these. So, but I got those. And then I got a bunch of beads. These ones are the ones in the tube. I just got a bunch of neons and clear colors to do some fun lanyards and keychains, hopefully. I'm really hoping to get some new lanyards in. I haven't done lanyards in a bit. I do have a custom order for one, but I haven't done them just to make them and sell them in a while. So I hope to do those this week. And then I got, like I always do, a whole bag of beads. So I'm not gonna show all of them because some of them are pretty much just like refills, but I will show you a couple. So I got this one, which is like a Christmas mix, and they're so pretty, and I really want to do so much stuff with it. Like I saw it and just got really excited. And then I got this like purple mix, because purple beads are a little bit harder to come by. So I got some purple beads. And then I just got a bunch of different silver lined beads. I got like pink and blue. So these ones are super pretty, super shiny, and I hope I can do some fun stuff with that. So that's just like a gist of what I got. Spent $147.96. So spent a bit of money, but it's okay. Oh, and I got E6000 because that's just a necessity for me. I'm always using it, so yeah. I'm gonna go get yogurt with my boyfriend, and then I'm gonna come back and then have a lot of beads to organize. I have the quills to do, and we'll just kind of see where the vlog ends. So yeah. Here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, there's a coupon code below for 10% off my Etsy, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. Right now I'm on Instagram and TikTok, and I do post on Facebook occasionally. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to tune in next time for another weekly or daily vlog of my shop. I really enjoy doing these, so let me know if you guys want to see more. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye!